We are back trading live. We um, are currently at basically 50k for all our evals. We've won one, lost one. We're a bit lower than 50k. We've got about 49.9k, so we've got about $900 left of risk. So it's basically if I lose the next trade, I lose. If I win, then I've got 2,000 worth of drawdown, but then it's another 3 evals, which don't cost a lot of money, but you've got to try and not care about evals whatsoever. Like I'm on Apex as well, so it's like 3 lots of like $30, which is like £70, something like that, from the UK. We've reswept all-time highs. So these are now new all-time highs. There's an S&T with all-time highs as well. And ES is holding up in this 4 hour, I believe. Yeah, currently. If we just displace two up through this 4 hour, then I would expect us to reach this high on ES. However, we could get a retrace here. Yeah, I can see it's retracing, but I mean, how many points are we away from that? 135, so we'll see what happens. Currently inside of this 15-minute, we might invert it to the upside. So 5-minute here. It looks like we're generating liquidity. So potentially we could resweep this high, then come down, maybe. Yeah, there's so much low resistance liquidity here. I reckon we can expect to come down to it. Especially because of this massive S&T. Yeah, that's a 15-minute intermediate. Could even come all the way down here. This 15-minute intermediate. But I'm still bullish, kind of, until proven otherwise. It looks like we're going to reverse this 15 at the moment. Which would lead me to be more bullish. Again, we are just. It looks like we're generating liquidity. There is a 15-minute here, which we might react off. You never know. Wait, what? Okay, actual all-time highs is here. Didn't even clock that. So I can definitely see us coming up to there now. You get some sort of Judas swing, maybe into this 5-minute reaction up would be nice. Potentially. We'll see. We'll see. 1 minute, 10 seconds. Not going to go on my phone and watch reels at the wrong time today. I'll tell you that for free. 30 seconds, guys. Still seem to be inversing this 15, which we will do. I'll take this short. I'll see this, or maybe it won't play. Nothing to go off here just yet. It's also not the greatest 5 minute. I mean, 930 is also added to this liquidity up here, which is nice. Happy we didn't take it out. This is the 5 minute on NQ, so. Also, this is just like low resistance liquidity, but I'd rather us come up here. I mean, if he inverse this 5 minute, then we can look for shorts. But 30 also is added to the liquidity in ES as well, so that's nice. Five minutes not sponsored from anything really. I've nearly was sponsored from this 15. We now enter the 5 minute. Looks like we're going to get an S&T. Or it's going to go ahead and take this all out. I can see that happening. I don't really want my stop loss to be here. I've got equal lows. And look at this move down. Maybe that inversion was the play. I think we're just going to absolutely tank here. Let's wait 1 minute. I wouldn't take this 5 minute short. It's very small 5 minute. And I can easily see us coming up to all-time highs. So it looks like we're projecting a rejection wick. We've got a 2 minute up here. So this would be the highest time inversion for longs. I still like the fact that we've inversed this 15-minute gap and then we're getting a 5-minute short. Like we're not reacting off anything. So I'm not bothered about this short. Did it all work out? Yeah, it's fat stop loss as well. So now invest the 5-minute. I mean, would you trade this? No. But ES is pushing now anyway. I wouldn't mind some sort of 5-minute continuation though. The only thing is that it's not sponsored at all. What breaker block, I guess. Might get unicorn if this. For April. I just don't know how we haven't come up and hit this. At any point. I don't like the fact that we've edged it as well, which just adds liquidity, as 930 did. So I'm in a position of not really wanting to trade anything right now, can't lie. It looks short, but I'm so long biased towards this high. If I'm not confident, I'm not going to take a trade, am I? I'll monitor this 5-minute though. Like we've got an S&T at this low now. I can see us shorting out of here. But like, oh, that is a 3-minute here. Right, if you invest that, maybe. Go to shitty stop loss. This 1 minute's like crazy. Look how much price is holding up. And it's your life. And it's alright. London low over here. so many draws, just not in the direction I want it. Okay, we are going to get 5 minute here. Let's see if this can send us lower. Not going to get 5 minute on yes. It's just annoying. Where's 9:30? It's here. Mark that out on NQ as well. Probably did. Okay. Alright, this is nice low resistance liquidity as well. Like we could really go from here. Equal lows as well. Holy moly. Are those equal lows? Yep. That can be our break even. It's just such good draws to the downside. Like if we get any sort of good reaction from this 5 minute, I'd be happy to take a short from here. But we would actually have to come into it at some point. I would like to see like a good manipulation here. Draw of liquidity is king. This seems to me like a protector high at the moment. It's got such good draws both sides, but I mean that is taking prime. These equal those down here. God, I'm glad I didn't take that 5 minute short. Eh? Oh, okay, we come into it. No 30-second, no nothing. That's very choppy. Yes, what we're doing. Maybe if you like resweep this, then ES comes up and sweeps that. And we get a strong S&T, bearish S&T. With an inversion, it'll be great. Oh, just look at all of this. What we're forming. Looks so juicy. Damn, we're going to take it out. Be patient. Let's see if 245 can do anything. Yes, it's looking lower down now, which is weird. This could be a big manipulation leg. Okay. Can we get an inverse to the downside now? We've got an S&T at this high, which is good because ES was higher up already. But we could be inversing this 5 minutes to the upside as well, so I'm still being cautious. I mean, this looks pretty textbook, right? It's not sponsored. Obviously not going to do 6, am I? Yeah, I'll do that. Mm, doesn't look like the best price action right now, I'll be honest. Yeah, we're really holding this S&T here. We've also got 1 minute as well now. Mm, I'll see, I'll see. I don't really want us to manipulate this high again. Which we are doing. Yeah, 1 minute's still the highest time frame. This is just peculiar price action. This is such an obvious low resistance liquidity. Will I take this long? Nope. No, no, no. 5 minute longs don't bode me well. And this is our stop loss. Jesus. Guess we have an S&T at the low. Check out LR. Just don't like this being our stop at all. Our stop will be down here. I'll prefer us to have come down here. Wow. It's crazy. Is this 2 minute going to get inversed? Looks like it. Now we have an external S&T here. Let it all work out. Let it all work out. Well, I've held up there. Like, I'm just not sure what to enter off here. I am short biased. Oh my god. If you inverse this 1 minute, I'll get in. I'm going to be setting one. Stop loss here. So limit. Setting 15. I mean, I'm pretty certain about this draw. A break even when it hits this low. That was the highest time frame inverse, wasn't it? And S&T at the high. Like, if this doesn't play out, expecting the 5 minute still. Let's go limit here. Is that right? Is that 1-to-1? No, 1-to-1 is, yeah. And we wait. If this doesn't play, I'll be amazed. This is a really good trade. It looks like. Either 5 minutes not sponsored, but I mean, this is textbook. What did I risk there? Yeah, about my stop anyway. Be careful with the S. Can't believe we're not just rattling through this. Like one candle, to be honest. Okay. Hit break even. Stops here. Don't just take break even out immediately, please. That'll be really jarring. Oh my god. No way. No freaking way, man. That's so annoying. What if I got in earlier, man? Oh my god, I'll be here. That would be the 1-to-1 there. That is so annoying. That's a good break even though. I'm fine with that. That's an order. I think we lost like $50 there. I can't lie. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I mean, re-entry here would be this 32nd. Maybe. I feel confident. Look at our stop here. It's just a bit poo, isn't it? Maybe I could have taken that. I'm not bothered. That's still annoying though. Break even. I guarantee some people would have been lucky and they would have been filled here and then that break even is just, that is a 1-to-1. Um, I mean, it's long right now. I'm not loving it. We've left equal lows below. I'm still thinking they're going to get taken at some point. Up 5 minute. Yeah, we held up in this 2 minute. Is there anywhere I could put my stop that's better? No, not really. Right, you know, usually I put it here, but I couldn't even put it there. Jeez Louises. What did we get to? 0.88. Just needed that tiny bit more. So surprised I hasn't come to those equal lows. Anything is adding to the liquidity still. But it's just like, why are we having this such strong reaction? Hmm. Yeah, I want to wait till we get out of the zone to take another trade. It just looks like it's hunting stop losses at the moment. I'm holding up in this 2 minute. Mm, coming up to 3 o'clock or 10 a.m. now, so that's prime manipulation point. On the 1 hour. Yeah, we're rejecting this high. You can definitely see us retracing down to here. Mm, yeah, I'm just not interested in this range now. I want us to break either this high or this low before I put in another trade. That was the trade to take at this range. An obvious break even point here. We remain patient. I'm only supposed to take one trade a day, but this is an eval where, like, I don't mind if it's a break even trade first before my next one. Well, if it's a loss or a win, if it's a loss without re-entry, like, and annoyingly, my break even there lost me like uh, only $7. I guarantee it's more than the others. Oh, oh, nice. Okay, I thought it would have taken like $100. That's like the usual with tracing. Yeah, like, it takes like $100 out from the stop loss, which is so annoying. This just looks like chop. This just looks like choppy, choppy, chop. I do not like it. This is a fine time to go on my phone, right? Not seeing at a 5 minute on my nose. Okay. I'm still set on this draw. This is like amazing. This could be high time frame AMD essentially. Need it as harness. Taking it now. How have we not taken that? 1 minute long here. Buy limit. Here, right? Hear me out. Stop here. And then TP up here. Watch. Oh my shit. Put up for the lols. Nah. Nah. Wow. I would have broken even now. Let's see if that works. Don't come down back into this 1 minute. Oh, anyone taking that 5 minute long? What would be the RR on that? Long here. Stops. Yeah. It's really not volatile anymore. Do have an S&P here, I guess. I really don't want to take the short. No, I don't want to. I don't want to. How are we not taking all that? How? 2.2 points away. What are we coming into? 2 minute fucking gap. If we do not dump at some point, and if we do not take these highs, I'm gonna go crazy. Drop in, up, up, up. That's an okay 30-second long. I wouldn't mind taking that. Oh, did that 5 minute be break even now? Where did the 5 minute close here? Will it come down to your break even if you took the 5 minute? I think it will. The short here will be a bit silly. Yeah, I did the same trade as Patty. Fucking break even, he said. I was also looking for a massive short there. But I was happy with my 1-to-1. Lol. If Blake took it. I mean, good date is 1 minute short. I reckon we can get a really good RR trade here. All I need is a 3 RR trade and then pass the eval. That could occur. Can't believe we haven't taken that down there. We've got a 1-to-1 out of that. Okay, we've re-swept all-time highs. So yes, coming to that 1 hour. No, 15 minutes, sorry. We have him versus 4 hour now, so I'll expect us to come up to here. Shorting now would be crazy. What the hell the volatility gone, man? It does look like it's going to chop up to this high. One hourly intermediate high here. Early drop. Freaking hell. Yeah, you would have got break even. Oh, this could be wraps for the day. Hmm. That's long with 6 contracts. No, because that'll stop me out so quick. We use ES to our advantage now. There's nothing to like here. Should have long with 6 guns. See if we get it. See if we get it. That's gambler mentality, dude. Daddy. Oh, this could be so raps right now. Go have lunch somewhere. Honestly, I'd rather a 5 minute short here, even though we're at all-time highs. Like one and then TP would be all the way down here. Massive high time frame S&T. I mean, we have inverted the 4 out here. I just look very bullish. We'll see. Don't look too good right now. Yeah. Oh, why be close so high? So yeah, we've got 10 minutes to wait until. Still 1L on the week. Oh, dear. I want to be able to trade, man. I want to pass my evaluation. Congratulations. Rip it. No. Naughty. Holy moly. Holy mo. Let's calculate how far in profit, just for fun, 'cause I'm so bored. Yeah, we got in like, yeah. So, uh, I don't care. 930 in profit. Damn. Looks like looks like this is just an expansion there. Gotta wait, be patient for a pullback. Gonna be waiting a while. Is yes, close or anything. This high, I guess. Holy moly. Mm. Oh, fuck this, I'm gonna get off. I guess it span up there, it's gonna take a while. Fuck that. Yeah, ending it there, break even day. No revenge trades, no stupid trades. The same trade as my mentor, technically. So I think we're good in the hood. Like, well, now you just got to be waiting for a 15-minute tap, and then doesn't look very likely. Just expanding today higher, which is good for my trading 212 account, let me tell you. Look at that. Look at that. We haven't even entered a daily gap yet. We will. We will have a long retrace down to here at some point, but not yet. The weekly, yeah. Look, people saying it's an AI bubble. Nope. All we're doing is coming down to a fair value gap in near the EQ of the range. Low resistance liquidity. This is the weekly time frame. It's also a monthly gap. Yeah, like ICT is the goat, man. What? What is that reaction of? Ugh. What's Bitcoin doing? Intrigued. It's climbing. It's climbing. I literally did the fattest sell of all time. I put in like quite a bit of money here, um, and I needed money for rent down here. So I lost like 40% of my investment, which isn't smart. My first ever time investing in Bitcoin. I didn't want to get out, but I had to because I could get the money quicker rather than my savings account. Takes a while. Jeez. Let it all go. Let it all go. Yeah, I'm gonna stop recording. Adios.